How to swap index and values on pandas dataframe. I have some data in which the index is a threshold, and the values are TRNS, true negative rates, for two classes, 0 and 1. I want to get a dataframe, indexed by the TNR, of the threshold that corresponds to that TNR, for each class. Essentially, I want this. I am able to achieve this effect by using the following. Or, generalizing to any number of columns. However, this seems extremely hacky and error-prone. Is there a better way to do this? And is there maybe native pandas functionality that would do this?
You can use stack with pivot.